Hello children, today we are going to do a worksheet of division problems and the first question is how many groups of 2? We have pictures of fishes and we have to find how many groups are there and in each group it should contain 2 fishes. Okay, so let's find it. So the first group contain 2 fish and this second group is contain 2 fishes. And this is the third group and it's the fourth group. So here we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 groups. 4 groups. Okay. Now second question is how many groups of 3? Here are some pictures of frogs. So we have to find the group of 3. Okay. Here we have the first group which contain 3 frogs. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So in this group we have 3 frogs. And in the question it is given we have to find the group of 3. Okay, group of 3. So the first group contain 3 frogs. Now the second group, it also contain 3 frogs. Okay, this is the second group. And this is the third group. It also contains 3 frogs. So here we have how many groups? 1, 2, 3. So here we have 3 groups. Okay, 3 groups containing 3 frogs each. We have 3 groups. Third question. How many groups of 4? Here is given pictures of rabbits. So in the question it is given we have to find how many groups of 4. It means in each group it should contain 4 rabbits. Okay. So let's find out how many groups are there. So here is the first group. Second group. It also contains 4 rabbits, and this is the third group. It contains 4 rabbits, and this is the fourth group. It also contains 4 rabbits, and this is the fifth group. Okay, it also contains 4 rabbits. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 groups. Okay, so let's write 5 here. Fourth question. How many groups of 2? Okay, how many groups of 2? Here we have pictures of cats. So how many groups of 2? It means in each group it should contain 2 cats. So let's find out the groups. So group number 1, it contains 2 cats. So group number 2, it also contains 2 cats. And this is group number 3, group number 4 and group number 5. Okay. So how many groups? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have 5 groups of 2. Here we have 5 groups. Okay, 5 groups containing 2 cats each. Okay, now the fifth question. Fifth question, how many groups of 3? Here there's a picture of some fishes. So we have to make a group which contains 3 fishes. Okay, so let's count 1, 2, 3. Let's make these 3 fishes into a group. Okay. So this is the first group. Next, we make these 3 fishes into another group. In this question, it is already given we have to make a group of 3. So we are taking the 3 fishes. Okay. So this is the second group and the third group. Here's the third group which also contains 3 fishes. And here is the fourth group. It also contains 3 fishes. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups, and each group contains 3 fishes. Here we have 4 groups. Okay, we have 4 groups containing 3 fishes each. This is the sign of division. I have some balls in this tray. Now I am going to count this. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 balls. Okay, I have 12 balls. Now I am going to divide these 12 balls into 3 baskets. Okay, so here's the baskets. So I have 3 baskets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 baskets. Now I am going to divide the 12 balls equally into these 3 baskets. Okay, so 1 to first basket, 1 to second basket, and 1 to third basket. Okay, second one. I am going to divide these balls until I get 0. Now I divided the balls into 3 baskets. Now the basket is empty. Now let's check it. How many balls are there in each basket? Here I have divided 12 balls into 3 baskets. So 12 divided by 3. So let's check the answer. First basket I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 balls. Now in the second basket 1, 2, 3, 4. Here also 4 balls. Now in the third basket I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so I have 4 balls. So each basket I have 4 balls. So 12 balls divided into 3 baskets. Okay, that is 12 divided by 3, which is equal to 4. We have 4 balls in each basket. Answer is 4. So 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Here I have 12 balls in this basket. Okay, 12 balls. So now I am going to divide these 12 balls equally until I get 0. 12 balls going to distribute into 2 baskets. Okay, 1 and 2. So I have here 2 baskets. Now I am going to divide the 12 balls into 2 baskets equally until I get 0. So 1 to the second basket, then next ball to the first basket, the second ball. Now the basket is empty, no balls left. So I divided the 12 balls into 2 baskets equally. we can write the question as 12 divided by 2. That is 12 balls divided into 2 baskets. 12 divided by 2 equals, let's find the answer. Let's check how many balls are there in the first basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 6 balls from the first basket. Now let's check the second basket. So in the second basket we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Here also we got 6 balls. So 12 divided by 2 equals 6. Okay. 12 divided by 2 equals 6. That is, we got 6 balls each. We already learned multiplication is the repeated addition of the same number. And in division we use subtraction. So, division is the shortest way of subtracting the same number again and again. We can use repeated subtraction to solve a division problem, just as we can use repeated addition to solve a multiplication problem. Here's a question: 20 divided by 5 equals. So, how many times were we able to subtract 5? Okay, division is the shortest way of subtracting the same number again and again. The same number again and again. That is, here we have to divide 20 by 5. Okay, so first of all we will write 20 here, and now we are going to subtract 5 from 20. So 20 minus 5 is 15. Okay. 20 minus 5 is 15. Again we are subtracting 5 from 15. Okay, because division is the shortest way of subtracting the same number again and again. So 15 minus 5 is 10. Then again we are subtracting 5 from 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5. Again we are subtracting 5 from the answer, that is 5 minus 5. So we get 0. So we subtract 5 from 20 until we get 0. Okay, so how many times we subtract 5? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Let's write here 4. 20 divided by 5 equals 4. Okay, so I think you understood the way how we divide with the help of subtraction. Here is a question for you. Division as repeated subtraction. Question is 8 divided by 2, and you have to find how many times did you remove 2 from 8. Find the answer. Thank you, children.